Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to add links to your YouTube channel on your phone. To do this, you're going to need the YouTube Studio app. Currently, I'm just on the YouTube app, which we will close off. So you need to get to the YouTube Studio from the Play Store or the App Store. Depends on your specific device. Open it up, then go to the top right and click on your profile icon. On this page, you'll see your profile picture and your name. Go to the right again and click on the pencil icon. This will take you to the Edit Channel page. As you can see here, we've got the option for links. Click there and click on ADD at the bottom. Now give your link a title and type in the URL. If you don't want to type it in, you can always copy and paste it as well. I'll use Google as an example. Press done and then click on save in the top right. I've now refreshed the page, and as you can see, you can then see the link there, which I can click on it, and that's it. Easy way to add links to your YouTube channel. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.